Have you ever struggled with keeping your suitcase organized while traveling? Introducing VASCO Compression Packing Cubes, the ultimate solution to your packing woes. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, these packing cubes will revolutionize the way you pack. VASCO Compression Packing Cubes are a game changer when it comes to efficient packing. These innovative cubes not only help you neatly organize your clothes and accessories, but they also compress them, maximizing space in your suitcase. With their durable construction and smart design, VASCO Compression Packing Cubes are a must-have for any traveler seeking convenience and order on their journeys. Say goodbye to messy suitcases and hello to stress-free travel with VASCO Compression Packing Cubes. Experience the joy of a perfectly organized suitcase and make the most out of every inch of space. Simplify your travel experience and embark on your adventures with VASCO Compression Packing Cubes by your side. If you're ready to upgrade your travel organization game with VASCO Compression Packing Cubes, simply click on the links in the description below. Get ready to transform the way you pack and enjoy hassle-free and efficient travel. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your travel experience. Click now and start your journey towards organized and stress-free packing. Your suitcase will thank you.